welcome to Nino D. our canal. I've been back, you guys, 114 years ago, approximately on the beginning on the April 2012, and maybe buy my ticket for Titanic. Why not? In this time, we will be everybody happy if we sit on that unsinkable ship. What it was so exciting for looking and gorgeous and extreme safety for traveling, you know. And usually, if you rich and you have money, you buy for first class. That actually maybe you survive, because why I say never know what is going with ship. So many ship was travel of the ocean, Atlantic or Pacific or everywhere, and they never know the sinking. There was so many tragic accident, and you know sure why. But means everybody what they buy ticket for Titanic traveling to the US and America or Canada or New World, that exciting some for kind of purpose or maybe for just business, for so many things, but usually business, because when I looking make a little bit make investigation, I see so many family was couple of them, maybe 3, 4, 5 even people, because their whole family was buy the ticket and go over the ocean to the New World, and they was happy because they sitting and starting traveling with extreme big ship, no sinkable and sure for everything, you know. That was normal. The engineer and everybody was informed for that no sinking ship. But you know, that's yes, looking like that, but they were coming almost too close. Not too close, but means in area of Canada, the iceberg, or maybe there was some kind of story that maybe know that iceberg, maybe something happen different way, what is happened by Titanic, but they're talking this is iceberg. We can make more now change what was, or iceberg or something else. The Titanic started sinking. When something hit them, there was night. There was people was so surprised, scary. They don't have so much boat on the Titanic for surviving, for taking down. There was also problem. They put that surviving that small boat put down in the sea, and was so slowly working. But Titanic is going pretty good time down fast, and from over surviving what they put on the ocean, and they making the surviving was also cool time, because April was really cold at that time, and normal April is April on the ocean is really cold, because if the iceberg was in that area is like that. And before 14 years ago I decided painting Titanic. This is actually my picture. This is story but I painting. Know how Titanic traveling over the ocean, and last light what the same people somebody painting. I'm trying making story about Titanic. This is already framed, my painting, you know, see. I try making story in my imagination, that I've been all people make survive, put on the safety area, put something that will be everybody survive, everybody life, and making the future what they want. But we understand more story, and this is can happen. This is just imagination. I will show you. You see what I put name of this painting, Titanic on the safety dock. Yeah, I painting exactly before 14 years on the anniversary. I try making, this is next morning, no night, this is morning, where the people still, somebody sleeping, somebody wake up, you see light, somebody still, cabin is dark, and you see on up, you see kind of some people really maybe with captain, the kids talking, they're showing something, you know, same one family standing behind on the top and looking, you know, and they're happy. But you understand, well, that's not like that. That reason I put you know, roses. I put roses in the sea because we understand what is happened, and this is for memory and kind of respecting the people, tragic people. 1,500 people is down on the sea that night. This is extreme bad. For so many country, they was sinking with that ship. They're coming in the cold ocean forever. Yeah, and that, you see, that that is my idea, triple 3D working with tricking the eyes. Actually, you see how is actually ship is catching my edge of the my kind of frame and actually survive. That's how I says my painting called the Titanic on the safety dock. Thank you so much for watching my video, Nino D Art.